Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus 5G. First of all, we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, a bit hidden because down the phone there's a little black box again, and if you remove it like this, you will find on the other side the SIM ejection tool. Just remove it to the top, and otherwise, by the way, you could use also the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is the small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool. But please take care. There's another hole next to the SIM tray. This is the microphone. So please use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. So take now your SIM ejection tool and enter the hole at the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards, one on the top and if you want, a second one on the other side. Okay, which one is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written, by the way, here at the metal. Okay, take now your first SIM card and place it like this. So missing corner on missing corner. And as you can see, the contacts are on the top. Okay, and as I said, if you want, on the other side, you can enter also a second SIM card. No? As you can see, the first SIM card jump out, it's not well fixed here at the SIM tray. Maybe you have the same problem, but this is the construction of the SIM tray, doesn't matter. Let me show you now how you can insert a second SIM card. The same way, but this second SIM card is better fixed in that construction. Also missing corner on missing corner here. And as you can see, the contacts are also here on the top. Okay, let me insert the first SIM card again. As I said, it doesn't matter that it jump out because it's on the top later to the SIM tray. And if we now enter our construction in the phone, the first SIM card is on the top, as I said. So nothing will jump out again. Close it well like this. And that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe at the next time. Ciao.